My dear brothers and sisters, do such work which kills the hunger of the stomach, quenches the thirst of the throat, and blows up the sleep of nights. The work should be for such high purpose that it takes the whole soul to do it. Munshi Premchand ji says, life is not the name of eating and sleeping. Life is the name of the passion to keep moving forward. Advice is not a good or bad thing in itself. It is the advisor who makes it good or bad. The solution for every problem depends on who is our advisor. Advice is always meant to bring some change. Right advice will bring right change, and wrong advice will bring wrong change. To bring about the right change in your life, you have to choose the right advisor. Duryodhan used to take the advice of Shakuni, and Arjun used to take the advice of Sri Krishna. If it is yours, then don't leave even a single rupee. But if it is not yours, then even if crores of rupees are lying, don't even look at them. See, excessive greed makes a person's life hell. Do not try to grab what is not yours unethically. If not today, then tomorrow God will definitely punish you. The war of Mahabharat happened only because of the greed of Duryodhan. Time is very powerful. Who knows when what will happen? Never boast of your good condition, bank balance, wealth, beautiful appearance, and learning. If you have these qualities, then thank God, because the rich, knowledgeable, and powerful Pandavas also experienced exile, and the beautiful Draupadi also wandered in the forests with them. If you want to achieve a big goal in life, then choose one of the two things, Ram or Aram. The people of Ayodhya wanted to leave all the amenities and comforts of the city of Ayodhya and go to the forest with Lord Ram. They had chosen Ram because they knew that only Ram would get them salvation. Now it is up to you whether you choose Ram or Aram. Learn to appreciate time. No one can say when good times will turn bad. Otherwise, King Dashrath's eldest son Ram, who was going to get the kingdom at night, would not have gone to exile in the morning. The character of a person is his personality, which is expressed by his conduct, sensitivity, and thoughts. If the character is destroyed, then the personality is destroyed. The person who destroys his character, he perishes everywhere. Whenever people has to give an example of greatest character in this world, they always take the name of Maryada Purushottam, Lord Ram. If someone helps us without any selfishness, then we should also express our gratitude towards him. Lord Hanuman brought the Sanjeevani herb to revive Lord Lakshman. Raghupati, Lord Ram, praised him greatly and overflowing in gratitude said that he is a dear brother to him just as Bharat is. In Sri Vishnu Puran, it is said that same thing sometimes gives delight, sometimes pain, sometimes creates jealousy, and sometimes anger. Therefore, everything in this world is a source of misery. There is a shlok in Gita Mahatmya by Adi Shankaracharya, Maline Mochanam Pumsam Jalasnanam Dine Dine Sakrid Gita Amrit Snanam Samsar Malanashanam. Translation: one may cleanse himself daily by taking a bath in water, but if one takes a bath even once in the sacred water of Bhagavad Gita, for him the dirt of material life is altogether vanquished. That's all, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna.